With me now is Mrs. Emma Rees, who's been busy judging the coloured horses and ponies, and it was an excellent competition.
It was absolutely amazing. It was the privilege to judge here is just phenomenal, and the standard that was in both classes was amazing. You know, from top to bottom, there was such a high standard, and it was just really, really nice to judge. Absolute pleasure.
Nice to judge, a pleasure, but was it difficult because the standard was so high?
Yeah, you've got to be very sort of thorough, I think. You've got to give every horse the same amount of time and attention, because you can pick up little things that you don't notice when they're first going round. You've got to be really quite particular in sort of the standards and what sort of is breed standard or specific to what type it is, you know. So yeah, it was a tough job, but I loved it.
Yeah, because you thrive under pressure.
Yeah,
I read
do.
somewhere.
Yeah, I love it. Yeah, I absolutely love it.
What was it about the champion that caught your eye?
That star quality. Just that, you know, look at me from the second it walked in the ring, and it moved phenomenally, and you can just imagine in a couple of years when it's all mature, you can just see the final picture developing, and it's lovely.
And that's the main thing. You like to see something now, but the future as well.
Yeah, the prospect for the future is just, it's really important, isn't it? Because this is where they all start, you know. And yeah, the champion and the reserve were both absolutely brilliant, to be fair. There wasn't much in it at all.
And you're a local girl from
Llanfair.
Yes.
Well, originally from Swansea, but live in Llanfair now. So yeah, love it.
And this is the first time you've judged at the Winter Fair, is it?
First time at the Winter Fair, yeah. So I've judged at Spring Festival before. This is the first time at Winter Fair. I went supreme ridden at the Royal Welsh this year on a coloured as well. So it's just been a fantastic year.
Absolutely brilliant.
Yeah.
And how did your journey with horses begin?
Oh, my mum, actually. She sat me on a horse when I was about 3 years old and didn't stop from there on. So that's where it began, really, and just the love of it and the... it's just it's more than a hobby. It's a love. It's an addiction, really, I think.
That's what a lot of people around here say. Yeah. And that's the lovely thing, actually. It's my first time at the Winter Fair. Yeah. And just hearing the chatter around the ring as well. Yeah. And everybody, in a way, is a judge.
Yeah, yeah. And you do feel that pressure, actually, when you're in the ring, because you're thinking, what people thinking. But you've got to do what you think is right and what you see in the horse at the time. So, yeah.
Oh, well, Emma, thank you so much for your time.
No problem at all.
And I'm so glad you've had a wonderful time. And you look stunning, if I may say so myself.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.